transition of the operation. The Philippine Coast Guard would like to inform that after 15 days of sustained search and rescue efforts, today is the 16th day in connection with the missing motor bangka Amihara, which was reported missing on 19 January 2026. The decision has been made to transition from search and rescue to search and retrieval operations effective today. Despite exhaustive efforts to locate survivors, including comprehensive surface, shoreline, and aerial searches in the affected areas of the Davao region, extending to Indonesian area of responsibility, only one survivor and 6 bodies have been found, along with life jackets, life rings, and other floating debris with Amihara markings. After careful evaluation of all available information and the prevailing operational conditions, it has been determined that the probability of survival is no longer feasible, and as such, search and rescue operations are formally concluded. The Philippine Coast Guard